Oh man, yeah, I felt that. Ooh, okay, bend back. Marquise in the motherfucking building. Talk about it, Marquise. Now, if you guys know who Sebastian is, he's also a content creator. I consider him a friend, even though I haven't met him officially yet. But like in this space, he said that a lot of the Dream Academy girls that didn't become like Cat's Eye, they talented as hell too. They get to have their shine too, because a lot of them are shining. I don't know if you guys have been keeping up. And Marquise, I think, is definitely gonna be one of them. I am very curious to see how this is gonna sound like. Based off the teasers, it sounds like something that's up my alley. So without further ado, let's check out Marquise. But first, be sure to check out the Patreon. This new K-drama called Teach You a Lesson. It's been fun to watch. I would do it. You're gonna get your ass beat anyways. Do it. Who did that? Thank God. Jesus.
Okay.
Yeah, that hurt, bitch, huh? You don't like that, huh, bitch? Who is it? Yup. Who is you? I don't even know who you are. You're a teacher? You can put hands on your students? He's smiling and shit.
당신이 지금 다친 거야?
Yeah, bitch. What you gonna do about it?
선생이야? 어른한텐 반말하지 않는다.
Yup. Damn. No. Been reacting to it on my Patreon, so be sure to follow the Patreon. It is free to follow, but also you can subscribe to your boy. I'm Twitch streaming later, twitch.tv/JREKML. Be sure to check me out over there. We talk about K-pop, we play games over there. Let's check out Marquise. Don't need you anymore, but in all one word or phrase or there's no spaces. Okay. And she looked like she crying. She don't need you anymore. Who we talking about? Who we talking shit about, girl? Tell me the tea. We about to find. Oh, we about to find out. Oh. Throw him. Oh. Oh, she got that star power. We dancing. Sometimes you just want to dance. Oh. Nope. By my back. Ow, that hurt. Okay. Oh. Girl, you just 19? You got heartbreak already? Oh man, yeah, I felt that. Ooh, okay, bend back. Don't need you. Moving on. Better and better things. Better and bigger things. Ooh. Oh, she dragging that PC. Wait, what'd she say? Oh. Watch it. No sound. Oh, the angel wings too. Oh, that balloon. It's a balloon, but it's like heavy. It's like not floating, right? I just realized it. Need you anymore. I don't need you anymore. Oh, that's an old laptop too, no? Okay, heels. Oh, she's serving for real. Girl, I almost got triggered because if you were gonna pop that balloon, I hate balloon popping. My eyes were like, don't do it. I was like, girl, please. Me into pieces. Ooh, glamour shot. Oh, she's uncaged. She's free. Hey, yes. Oh, the feathers are nice though. Nice touch. It's like being set free. Whether it be out of a relationship, it could be like, you know, out of a label. It could be mean to other things too. Though I think this is about a relationship, no? Yeah, coming of age, too young to carry the pain. Clothes, I'm throwing them away. I'm dancing tonight. Cause sometimes you just gotta dance it out. Sometimes I just be like going to the club. I just wanna dance. F the alcohol. I just wanna dance with my bad bitches. And by bad bitches, I mean me, myself, and I. Oh, bite you back, not bite your back. Okay, that's what I thought. Cause I was like, why would you bite somebody's back? This feels like a debut song too. Like even like the setup and everything. It kind of reminds me of like the good debut songs from like the Disney stars, like the good ones. I'm not talking about like the bad ones. You know what I'm saying? Like them Hillary Duffs and stuff. Like, you know what I'm talking about, chat. Like I'm on Twitch. My bad. Cut me into pieces. Don't need you anymore. Put the comments down below what you guys think of Marquise. Don't need you anymore. I want to hear more. I think this is a pretty good debut. She looks great. The song sounds good. But I know she could probably do more. I know she could. I know she got it in her. Is there like an EP out or something? Let me double check. I think it's just a single, right? And this is her first song. I'm curious to hear more of your music for sure. Put the comments down below what you guys think of Marquise and Don't Need You Anymore. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out her music video, bring her streams up, listen to her songs, etc., etc. I just downloaded her song. And yeah, good job, Marquise. Keep on going. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.